My clinical experience prepared me greatly for what I'm doing now. I tell everybody that the clinic was the best experience I had in law school.
What the ECDC is doing for us is really what's happening in the real world. And I like how the mentors really let the students do the work.
They get to apply what they learned in real world situations, and it's amazing the confidence they build.
You have to sit down with the client. You've got to get to know them. They don't know what they need. That's my job as an attorney.
Being able to have access to that legal support, it's priceless.
There's absolutely really no way that we could really pay for what UC Law is offering us.
I think it's a great opportunity that the University of Cincinnati offers. I think it's something you're not going to see many other places, and if you have a chance to take advantage of it, you absolutely should.